What's going on, guys? Today I've got the TP-Link Archer MR600 here. We're going to do a quick unboxing and a sort of small spec breakdown. Now, we're not going to go into incredible detail and we're not going to do a speed test, but what we are going to do is do sort of the unbox experience and tell you a few of the spec. Now, if you have watched any of our previous videos, this device is very similar to the Huawei B535, but perhaps maybe a little bit better, but we're going to see in this video. Now, straight away, we don't have any prices currently, so I can't advise you on that, but they will be there very soon. And we will be doing a side-by-side with this and another device that we think is fairly similar. It might be the B535, we haven't quite decided yet. And we will have the price coming to you very, very soon. We will also be doing a full in-depth spec breakdown and speed test of the device, and that will be coming very soon on our second channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're going to jump straight into this now, guys, and we're going to go ahead and start on the outside of the box. So on the front of the box here, you can see it's a little bit of information. You can see it's TP-Link here, 4G plus, AC 1200 dual band gigabit router, and you can see the actual name of the device here, the Archer MR600. On the top right, you've got this sort of one mesh logo there, and we will again be doing a video explaining more about the one mesh system very soon, and there'll also be probably a little bit about the one mesh system on the blog that I will link in the description for you. On the bottom here, you can see there is a 4G plus CAT-6 up to 400 megabits per second download. You can see you have full gigabit Ethernet port, detachable LTE antennas, so these two antennas here, they do screw on and can come off. That is AC 1200 dual band Wi-Fi. So yeah, that is the front of the box. We're going to move on to the back now. On the back of the box, you can see some possible usages of the actual device. You can see you can use it in a lodging house, temporary store, remote area, or a holiday home, and you can also see a little bit of a brief description of the device. You can see you connect up to 64 devices. It will boost your 4G plus speeds, and it takes a micro SIM card. You can also see how the device works. So you plug your modem into the Ethernet cable perhaps, and then you can get internet that way, and you can plug it into a range extender. Now, if you were to scan this little QR code here, we've done it as well, it will show you all the products that this device is actually compatible with, so that's quite good. And you can also see that you can connect it to your TP-Link app, and we will be talking about that in the next video very soon also. But you can see some of the specs. You can see it's a 4G plus CAT-6 download up to 300 megabits per second, and an upload speed of 50 megabits per second, a wireless speed of 300 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz, plus 867 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz. You can see again, it's got those two detachable antennas. It's got all these ports here, and these are the dimensions. And you can also see what we should expect to see inside the box, which is the device itself, power adapter, RJ45 Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. You have got some more info, so you can see all the bands that it supports, and it outlines that web interface that you can use to set up the device, and the TP-Link Tether app that you can get yourself, and you can just scan this QR code again and it will take you to either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now again, we will be doing a video very soon on that TP-Link app, so make sure you keep an eye out for that if you want to know more about it. That's enough about the box, so we're going to go ahead and open this up now, and we'll have a look at the actual device and box contents themselves. Now, I really like these TP-Link boxes. We have had a few so far, and boxes look great themselves. So I would say props to TP-Link for that. Inside the box, you've got this sort of bit of paperwork here. You've obviously got your charger, your 3-pin as outlined on the side of the box. You've got your LTE antennas, and then you've got the actual Archer device itself. You've got some SIM card adapters for if your SIM card is too small, and you've got this sort of quick installation guide along with a Ethernet cable and some more public license notices. So that's everything that's inside the box. We'll move on to the main event now, the actual device itself. Now, in terms of design, I think they've done a very good job with this TP-Link. You can see some interesting features such as this sort of metal bar here that goes the whole way through the device. You can see the TP-Link logo, very minimal there. And on the back of the device, you've got all your sort of ports. So you've got your LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4/WAN, your power button, your power ports, your two antenna ports there, micro SIM card slot, Wi-Fi on and off, WPS, and your reset button there. On the bottom, you can see a little bit of information again about this exact device. So you can see the power is 12 volt. You can see some more default access notes there, and you can see the IMEI along with some other wireless passwords there. Again, there's sort of this like grid-like design on the bottom here with some attachable ports here, so you can put this into your wall and have it against that if you would look to do something similar to that. What we're going to do now is set this up as if it was essentially inside your house, not by plugging it in, but by applying the antennas to the ports on the back here. And it's fairly simple. All you simply do is screw them in like so, very quickly, and then you adjust it to where they would be pointing upwards like this, and then you simply pull them up like that, and there you go. Voila, you have the device set up there and ready to go. And again, I think this looks great, and I think it is a very sleek design for a device, very modern-esque, and will provide you with those great speeds. So there it is, guys. There's the Archer device itself. I've given you a quick spec breakdown along with a unboxing tour. I'll go over a little bit more for you now. I'll quickly summarize what I've said then, guys. This is a 4G plus high-speed CAT-6 LTE router. It has a download of up to 300 megabits per second and an upload of up to 50. You can connect up to 64 devices to this TP-Link, and it takes a micro SIM. You get these two detachable antennas, and you get a whole variety of ports to choose from on the bottom. Overall, this device is looking very promising. I look forward to our speed test and side-by-side test, along with that full spec breakdown coming very, very soon, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know what you think about the Archer MR600 in the comments below. And if you have any questions at all about anything, please ask us in the comments and we'll be sure to get back to you. Make sure you stay tuned for that more in-depth spec breakdown and speed test, as that'll be coming very soon. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.